Google Glass is a wearable computer with an optical head-mounted display, OHMD, that is being developed by Google in the Project Glass Research and Development Project. The intended purpose of Google Glass would be hands-free displaying of information. Glass is being developed by Google X. It can communicate with the Internet via natural language voice commands. We discussed Google Glass in an earlier Appleton Creative blog post, but since then, a lot has changed. Google Glass is not just an idea or prototype anymore, it is a fully functioning, purchasable product. The technology of the future is now available. To recap, Google Glass is a computer attached to lightweight glasses. Designed as augmented reality glasses, Google Glass is an interactive display mounted on your face, with an Android operating system, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity and superimposed visuals viewed by looking up. What do you do with it? Below we've laid out the current benefits and potential future uses of Google Glass. Essentially hands-free computing. While you do have to use the touchpad located along the side of the glasses for certain things, Google Glass responds to your voice and surroundings to perform any task you may require of it. Tell it to take a picture and it does, even text friends or email colleagues. Productivity will soar. Local advertising will hit an all-time high. Google Glass will facilitate faster informational retrieval and suggestions. Google Glass could be instrumental in helping make decisions, whether you are using them in the mall or walking along the sidewalk looking for the best lunch restaurant. We mentioned in our last post that while walking through the grocery store, you could pick up an item and let Google Glass instantly display the price of that product at all nearby competitor shops. Maybe a competitor soup brand offers you a discount code on the spot if you choose them instead, all via Glass, all within seconds. Difficulty targeting consumers could be a thing of the past. With soon-to-be-developed eye-tracking technology, advertisers will know exactly who is looking at their ad and for how long. They can better target places and people with the new data. The possibilities are endless. Teachers, doctors, athletes or techies in other professions can use it for any purpose. Teachers can use them to better engage students, while doctors can utilize them in surgery, for diagnosing patients or even viewing X-rays. Google Glass for athletes can be employed to show professional athletes their vitals during competitions, or simply as a hands-free communication tool.